What's up guys? Welcome to Reviews by Ronan. So what we have here is from Ulanzi, the MT44 multifunctional tripod. So for us, Ronan, this is the best tripod of all time. So this is best ever made tripod talaga. Of course, let's make some reviews of this one. So let's start sa bottom part. So this one, yan, may mga anti-slip siya. Alright? So, yung grip niya, hindi siya madulas. And take note, minsan nakakangalay pag mag-grip ng tripod. We've tried other tripods, but this one, yung grip niya is perfect. So, sakto siya sa akin. So, this is the palm of my hands. Medyo malaki yan. Yan. So, sakto siya sa akin. Even kay wife, sakto din yung paghawak nito. Stable. So, kahit pawisan ka, like me, pasmado, stable pa rin siya. Or, hindi siya masyadong madudulas sa kamay mo since may anti-slip. And this red one is yung adjustment ng lock and unlock para magamit mo tong bottom part para ma-open mo yung stand niya. So this has 3 stands or 3 panels para to support the tripod itself. Yan. So medyo makapal, no? Medyo makapal, around 1/2 inch yung kapal niya. Some tripods kasi, yung mga brand X is maninipis ito. Maninipis yung support niya. So, this has 3 supports. Yan. Makikita nyo, meron pang mga cable here, no, para talagang supported. So, pwede kayo mamili. Pwedeng nakaganyan lang, hindi nyo fully open. Pwedeng fully open. Kasi minsan nakakadapa when you're having shoots. So, since stable naman, so pwedeng magamit. Lalo sa tables, masikip, right? So, madami din siyang layers. Let me open it for you. I cannot measure it right now. But yan, medyo mahaba siya. So, saktong-sakto for travel vlog and sa mga product vlog. So, if napapansin nyo, medyo nag-iba yung view natin because this is what we are using kapag nag-video. And yung lights. So, partner yan, dalawa na yan. And this upper part, so let's take a look. This upper part, yan, sobrang stiff niya. So, may brand name siya dito, Ulanzi. So, ito yung pang-lock niya. You can change it. So, it has a feature na you can change this one to hold a camera. So, camera holder or camera tripod din siya. So, may feature siyang ganun. And this one, yung ball head. 3 fixation. Meaning, yung sa taas niya, kasi minsan dalawa lang yung screw or something. Ito 3. So, sobrang stable. Hindi siya basta-basta matanggal. We've tried it talagang legit. Talagang hindi siya nahuhulog. We've tried it sa mga travel namin ni wife. Hindi nahulog. So, kahit tamaan na ng, mahangin, stable pa rin siya. Alright, so this is, you can move it 360 degrees.